Aspro Series Jubin Common Rail Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. Ultra-large forma flagship model empowering global high-end processing. Reed segmented bed plus independent rack transmission ensures stable support for over 60 kilowatts ultra-high power. Extra-large full worktable plus independent foot supports, sturdy support for ultra-thick plates, smoother processing. Dual beam design with 2 cutting heads working in sync doubles productivity. The beam is equipped with a protective cover with a dust-proof curtain at the bottom to effectively isolate laser spatter and dust. The beam cover is fitted with OD5 Plus laser safety glass windows to protect eyes and skin from laser radiation, enabling safe visualization. The beam cover also features safety-like curtains to prevent injury and equipment damage, ensuring safe production. Modular cover opens easily for faster maintenance. It features HUN's intelligent CNC system with built-in 10 kilowatts plus calling database for one-click parameter matching to different scenarios. HUN's responsive oscillating head supports both straight and bevel cutting. High-speed cutting of thin plates delivers excellent efficiency. Stable cutting of thick plates ensures consistent quality. With core technologies such as bevel following algorithm and bevel 2 compensation algorithm, one-path forming meets complex bevel processing requirements. Console monitor shows real-time machine status. An optional dynamic vision remnant material system efficiently handles remnants, increasing waste recycling efficiency by over 40%. Bottom dust removal and top smoke exhaust made international standards for a clean, operator-friendly environment. Bottom waste trolley pulls out easily for quick part collection, simple operation. Worktable and bed shipped separately, while being covered and being shipped together in standard containers for easy overseas transport and installation. S-Pro, from thin plates to thick plates, from straight cutting to bevel cutting, a one-stop solution for diverse processing needs.